Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters. This is another verse from the Quranic Reflection series, and it is from Surah Al-Baqara. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَتَّخِذُ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ أَنْدَادًا يُحِبُّونَهُمْ كَحُبِّ اللَّهِ وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَشَدُّ حُبًّا لِلَّهِ. Among people are those who consider others as equals to Allah, and they love them more than they love Allah. But those who believe have a greater love for Allah. This is Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 165. And this verse addresses the fact that we should love Allah above all else. So the first point of reflection is that loving others more than Allah is the basic formula for the destruction of civilization. Whenever we put above Allah, because love has to do with following, obeying, worshipping, etc. Whenever we put the systems which we have created ourselves above Allah, we put Allah's laws aside, then our societies crumble. The second point of reflection is that, as the Prophet ﷺ said, regardless of whatever we do, our faith will remain incomplete until we love Allah and His Messenger more than anything else, including ourselves. Loving Allah and His Messenger means obeying Allah and His Messenger out of a sense of gratitude, appreciation, praise for Allah and the Messenger of Allah who carried that message, that divine message to us. The third point of reflection can be seen in the Quranic verse, "In kuntum tuhibbuna Allah." If you love Allah, fattabi'uni, follow me, the Messenger of Allah, yuhbibkum Allah, and Allah will love you. The truest and highest level of expression of one's love for Allah is to follow whatever the Prophet ﷺ brought and taught us. Barakallahu feekum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.